Did you know you can actually replace your profile picture in NGL app? So when you first create an account, your profile picture is just a reflection of your profile picture on Instagram. And a lot of people think that's it, you can't change it. But no, you can have a separate profile picture in NGL app, and then you can just update it. So you can just put it here and then, okay, whatever, just choose it. And that's it, and then that's your profile picture here. So that's how it works. You can easily change that. It's easy. And yeah, hope that is helpful. However, it's not possible to take a photo. It is only available to upload existing photo here. And yep. So that's the idea. It's not possible to add any avatars or some 3D generated images or stuff like that. You just need to upload your existing photo. And there are also no checks like in some other apps where you need like, to look in the camera, blink twice or something like that. So you just upload your photo.